best air filters for a furnace are those that have very good airflow. At the same time, you don't spend $2 on a filter, and if you hold this filter up, you see light coming through. That filter is not going to do anything for you. What we want you to understand is this. It is very difficult to put a furnace filter in and protect the health of your home, your family, and improve the indoor air quality. What is the purpose of that furnace filter? The purpose of that furnace filter is to protect your furnace, not you. So what we want in a very high quality furnace filter is one that has lots of pleats, lots of media, whether it's 1 inches or 5 inches, depending on the slot. It has lots of folds in it so that you get better airflow, and we don't want it restrictive of airflow. I remember a case where one of our customers in Ottawa called us, and he had our best HEPA air cleaner essentially installed in his home. And he called us to say something has changed in his home. And so we asked him questions. We said, well, have you done renovations? Nope. Have you painted? Nope. Any new furniture? No. And then I asked him, well, what have you done to your furnace? Have you done anything? He goes, yes. And he said, I put in a 3M Filtrete 1-inch filter. And we asked him to remove it and to call us in 2 weeks. And this customer is sensitive to particles. He called us the next day to tell us he already felt better and he could tell that the air was circulating better. So a lot of these filters that you pay too much money for restrict airflow in the furnace. The ones that you don't pay enough money for aren't even protecting your furnace. So here at Pure Home, we were inspired because we saw this in being over 1,000 homes, all our customers. For example, we offer a Canadian-made furnace filter, $9.95, made in Canada, doesn't off-gas, 16 by 25 by 1, that allows very good airflow and protects your furnace so that if you go portable or whole home purification, it's not going to restrict airflow and decrease the performance of these air purifiers.